In today's world, maximizing space in small living areas has become a necessity. With urbanization and the increasing cost of real estate, many people find themselves living in smaller homes or apartments. One of the most effective ways to optimize space in a small room is by using bunk beds. Bunk beds are not only practical, but also offer a variety of designs that can enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room. This video explores several innovative bunk bed ideas that are perfect for small rooms, focusing on functionality, design, and versatility. Bunk beds are also practical. With their vertical orientation, bunk beds take up less floor space, allowing for more floor space for in-room recreation. And if you own a property where you're frequently hosting family and friends, bunk beds are a great choice for a guest room or to accommodate a whole crew of cousins, not to mention facilitate memory making of the stay-up-late, tell ghost stories with a flashlight sort. 1. Classic bunk beds. The classic bunk bed design is a timeless solution for small rooms. It consists of 2 beds stacked on top of each other, allowing 2 people to sleep in the same floor space that one bed would typically occupy. This design is ideal for children's rooms or guest rooms where space is limited. Classic bunk beds are available in various materials, including wood and metal, and can be customized with different colors and finishes to match the room's decor. 2. Loft bunk beds. Loft bunk beds are an excellent choice for maximizing vertical space. Unlike traditional bunk beds, a loft bed elevates the sleeping area, leaving the space underneath free for other uses. This area can be transformed into a study nook, play area, or storage space, making it a versatile option for small rooms. Loft beds are particularly popular in studio apartments and dorm rooms, where every square foot counts. 3. Triple bunk beds. For families with multiple children sharing a room, triple bunk beds offer a practical solution. These beds can be designed in various configurations, such as 3 beds stacked vertically or an L-shaped arrangement. Triple bunk beds are a space-saving marvel, allowing 3 people to sleep comfortably in a compact area. Some designs even incorporate storage drawers or shelves, further enhancing their functionality. 4. Bunk beds with built-in storage. In small rooms, storage is often a challenge. Bunk beds with built-in storage address this issue by incorporating drawers, shelves, or cabinets into the bed's design. These beds provide a convenient place to store clothes, toys, or bedding, reducing clutter and keeping the room organized. Built-in storage can be integrated into the stairs leading to the top bunk or beneath the lower bed, making efficient use of every inch of space. 5. Convertible bunk beds. Convertible bunk beds offer flexibility and adaptability, making them a great choice for small rooms. These beds can be transformed into different configurations, such as separating into 2 single beds or converting into a sofa during the day. This versatility allows the room to serve multiple purposes, such as a bedroom and a living area, without the need for additional furniture. 6. Themed bunk beds. For children's rooms, themed bunk beds can add a touch of fun and creativity. These beds are designed to resemble castles, pirate ships, or tree houses, turning bedtime into an adventure. Themed bunk beds not only save space, but also stimulate a child's imagination, making the room a more enjoyable place to spend time. Parents can choose themes that align with their child's interests, creating a personalized and engaging environment. 7. Murphy bunk beds. Murphy bunk beds, also known as wall beds, are an innovative solution for small rooms. These beds can be folded up into the wall when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space. Murphy bunk beds are ideal for multi-purpose rooms, such as home offices or playrooms, where the bed is only needed occasionally. The sleek design of Murphy beds ensures that they blend seamlessly with the room's decor when folded away. 8. Custom bunk beds. For those with specific needs or unique room layouts, custom bunk beds offer a tailored solution. Custom designs can accommodate unusual room dimensions, incorporate specific features, or match a particular aesthetic. Working with a designer or carpenter, homeowners can create a bunk bed that perfectly fits their space and meets their requirements. Bunk beds are a versatile and practical solution for small rooms, offering a range of designs to suit different needs and preferences. From classic and loft styles to innovative Murphy and convertible designs, there is a bunk bed option for every space. By choosing the right bunk bed, homeowners can maximize their room's functionality and create a comfortable, stylish living environment. Whether for a child's bedroom, a guest room, or a studio apartment, bunk beds provide an effective way to make the most of limited space.